Managing recipes in product development isn't just about mixing ingredients, it's a complex journey. It calls for a comprehensive understanding of technology, regulatory standards, and global market dynamics. Successful recipe development necessitates producing consistent, high-quality products that meet both regulatory requirements and consumer expectations. Imagine a world where managing your product recipes becomes a seamless, streamlined process, where innovation and process efficiency harmoniously steer product development. Welcome to the formulation capability within SAP PLM, your key to effective recipe formulation. With the formulation capability, you can cut down product development time drastically by making development processes collaborative and integrated, while ensuring accurate product information is provided downstream. The formulation capability enhances innovation and product quality using the power of hierarchical formula management and comprehensive calculation capabilities. This ensures your business is always a step ahead, leading the path of advancement in your industry. The formulation capability enhances agility in product development, offering a reliable high-performance data backbone. Using specification management as a single source of truth, it manages everything from ingredients to packaging data, ensures flexible status management, and provides seamless downstream integration, ultimately helping your business become more adaptable and responsive to changing market demands. SAP PLM's formulation capability rapidly speeds up your product's time to market, enhances innovation and product quality, and provides your business with the agility to adapt in a fast-evolving industry. Step into a world where SAP PLM's formulation capability transforms complex formulations into streamlined designs, enhancing innovation and agility, and creating an unprecedented competitive edge. Welcome to the future of advanced recipe formulation with SAP PLM.